Well, ahead of the Independence Day celebrations tomorrow, the national flag that has been dragged into a political slugfest days after the Prime Minister launched the Har Ghar Tiranga campaign and has urged citizens to make Tiranga as their profile picture to make a campaign a success, the Congress has now given it as a Nehruvian spin. As Congress MP Manikam Tagore has changed his profile picture to Nehru holding the tricolour. This politics over Har Ghar Tiranga campaign is not new. Back in 2022, a similar battle of profile pictures had broken out. To mark the 75th year of India's independence, Prime Minister Modi had replaced his profile picture with a photograph of the national flag as part of Har Ghar Tiranga initiative. He's also asked the people and has urged them to do the same. Congress leaders, however, responded by putting a picture of former Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru along with the Tiranga. The BJP, meanwhile, has taken a spy by the Congress party, saying that because of the BJP, that the Congress has begun remembering the first Prime Minister.
Good enough. We are very happy. Congress is tweeting pictures with Nehruji holding tricolour in hand. Congress is finally remembering Nehru. Because whenever BJP or any of its leaders, we recall Nehruji, you guys get very angry, very irritated. Why always you take Nehru? Why always you take Nehru, Indira, Rajiv? At least now you are remembering Nehru. So you should be thankful to Modi and you should be thankful to BJP and people of this country that he made you remember Nehru.
But as far as the initiatives that have now been taken on part of the government of India as well, as far as there have been bike rallies that are also being found. But this is as far as Prime Minister Narendra Modi's initiative is concerned, starting with the Har Ghar Tiranga and the post that has also been put up making that appeal and urging everyone to change their DPs or their display pictures to the Tiranga, as the Prime Minister has already done that. But the Congress party, in a way, suggesting as far as the first Prime Minister is concerned, Independence Day, when it comes to the celebration, should also be remembered as far as the contribution is concerned of the top Congress leaders. We have Nyamika with us right now. Nyamika, Har Ghar Tiranga campaign, of course, in both sides, it is the Tiranga which has been given the utmost respect. But here it seems to be politicized on part of the political parties that we are looking at.
Absolutely, the manner in which these statements are coming in from the opposition parties, that clearly is basically an attempt on the part of these opposition parties to give out a message to BJP and RSS that they are participating in this Har Ghar Tiranga campaign, but they are also targeting the BJP as well as RSS, because now we have seen that how the Congress party's the Lok Sabha MP Manikam Tagore has also put up and changed his profile picture, in which we can clearly see that there is a Tiranga, but that is being there a picture of the former Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, who is holding that Tiranga, as the Congress party has been attacking the BJP and RSS, as it was the Congress General Secretary Jairam Ramesh who had made a tweet in this regard when this campaign was being launched by the Prime Minister, as he has mentioned the history of the RSS by saying that it was the RSS who was from the very beginning, it was against this Tiranga. They are also opposing this initiative to make it as the national flag, as Jairam Ramesh has also said that it was the Congress party who had contributed a lot in this movement for the freedom struggle of this country, and in fact it was the RSS who had discarded from any kind of participation movement. So that is what the Congress party has been continuously saying, that the BJP and is basically trying to rectify all these mistakes which were being done by the RSS, and that's the only reason why the Prime Minister has started this entire campaign. So the Congress party,
the third edition of the Har Ghar Tiranga campaign that has been started by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, but seems to have been as far as turned into a credit war between political parties. Nyamika, please do continue to be with us, because right ahead of the Independence Day celebrations, the political war that we are talking about has also broken out in the state of Tamil Nadu, with the BJP that had plans to take out a bike rally carrying the tricolour or the Tiranga across the state. The party which had scheduled this rally on the 15th of August and has planned to cover all 234 assembly constituencies. But the BJP's plans were thwarted and they were put off track as the state police has denied permission, citing law and order issues. That has now sparked off a bitter war of political words, or a bitter political war of words. Now, slamming the DMK government for the refusal of permission, the Tamil Nadu BJP chief K. Annamalai has said that this shows that the DMK doesn't like the national flag. He also spelled out the objective behind such a Tiranga rally, saying the aim was to spread awareness about the Prime Minister's Har Ghar Tiranga campaign. The BJP, meanwhile, has approached the Madras High Court against the denial of permission by the state police.
And this is the condition in Tamil Nadu that the Dravida model is against our national flag. The Dravida model is against patriotic people. The Dravida model DMK government is against people who own this nation and owns this flag.
Well, on part of the state government, the DMK, which has hit back at the BJP, calling it the most unpatriotic group in the country, rebutting the BJP's anti-national flag barb. The DMK said that the chief minister and the party both will be unfurling the tricolour. Distancing itself from the decision to not grant permission for the rally, the DMK said that it is the police's decision, as it might have some information on how BJP workers could cause law and order problems on Independence Day.
The worst unpatriotic group is the BJP. They don't bother about people of Tamil India. So they cannot claim patriotism. In the DMK party headquarters, tomorrow at 8 o'clock, we are hoisting national flag. See, it should be done in a decent way. The bike rally and other things, police will have many things. It is not the government that is blocking it. The police may have some information that these people make it, but you know how these people will create trouble everywhere.
Well, as far as politics over, the denial of a permission of a bike rally in Tamil Nadu is concerned, the DMK government saying that this is on part of the police. The police has taken this decision, and it might have some information that there could be possibly any reasons where there could be disturbances to law and order situation. But here the BJP has been countering it, saying that when it comes to the Har Ghar Tiranga campaign, the DMK government in the state of Tamil Nadu is against that narrative. Let me go across to Vashni now. Vashni, good morning. The police are denying permission. BJP and the DMK now indulging in war of words.
Absolutely, yes, because this is the Tiranga rally, the bike rally that the BJP had planned to conduct throughout the state of Tamil Nadu, and in every city the permission was sought as per the guidelines, and in fact the BJP says that they had accepted all the norms of the police officials, and in fact suggested that the police itself could give them the place and the time and all other proper details so that they can follow the rules of the Tamil Nadu police. Yet the permission was denied, and that's why the BJP has now moved to the Madras High Court. And in the Madras High Court, the justices had in fact asked for a response from the Tamil Nadu police in order to give a verdict. And there is expectations that this could come off today, because the rally has been planned for August 15th, which is tomorrow. Therefore, the BJP is trying hard to push, and what they are saying at this point of time is this is not the time to play politics here, because this is the Independence Day and every citizen has the right to celebrate Independence Day in his or her own city, and that is what the BJP is stating. And on the other hand, the DMK is saying that there has been a lot of law and order issues in the past that had been caused by such rallies, and that is why they are very skeptical about this situation, and probably that is why the police are refusing permission for this rally. But on the other hand, the DMK says they have no part to play in it. It's purely the police.
This denial of permission order, that is something that the BJP is challenged in the Madras High Court. Of course, remains to be seen what happens when the court takes up this matter, because tomorrow is the day when the BJP wanted to take out this bike rally. Thank you very much, Vashni. Keep tracking and getting us the reactions coming in. Let's in the meantime get you